Good morning, students. So, in the last class, we discussed the nomenclature of the some organic compounds up to the alkyne, alorane, alcohols, and phenols. Today, we will continue with the next organic compounds. Okay. So, another one is here. So, that is ethers. Okay. So, in that ethers, here, aliphatic or maybe the structure I take both aromatic and aliphatic I write. So this one take the name alkoxy alkane. Ready? Structure is here. The name of the ether gets alkoxy alkane. Are you getting? So here, I simply take the structure. Here the structure. Here the IUPAC name. If the structure is like this group is called as alkoxy, this is alkane. Okay, now I'll go with the examples. The first structure CH3O CH3. Okay, so students, this is the ether group oxygen atom, and either side of the ether group CH3 group is there. So among this, one is considered as a functional group, another one is as a parent chain. Here on either side of the carbon atom, on either side of the oxygen atom, the carbon number is 1 only. Okay, here is also CH3, here is also CH3, both are same. You can select any one. So alkoxy, this Al here represents what? Number of carbon atoms. In the place of for one carbon atom, it is meth. With oxygen, methoxy. So only one parent chain, that is methane. There is one carbon atom in the parent chain, that's why it is methoxy methane. Okay, next second. CH3O C2H5. Okay, so C2H5 means that is ethyl group. This one is methyl. Parent chain on left hand side consists of one carbon, consists of two carbon atoms. So among 1 and 2 carbon atom, which one is greater in number means 2 carbon. So this is considered as a parent chain. So this one is considered as a functional group. So oxygen with the methyl group, name is taken as methoxy. The parent chain here consists of the 2 carbon atom, that is ethane. Methoxy ethane. Okay. So the next CH3O CH2 CH2 CH3. So now that here, this is the 3 carbon atom, this is the only 1 carbon atom. So it is methoxy propane. Methoxy propane. Next. Okay. Next one is CH3 CH2 O CH2 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 C. So students, here 2 carbon atom is there, here 4 carbon atom is there. Of course, this is the parent chain, this is the function group. Here C2H5. In the place of ALK, here 2 carbon atom means eth comes. That is ethoxy. This one is butane. I hope you got an idea how to name the compounds. So this is what I am taking is the aliphatic compounds. Okay. Next, if it comes aromatic. This is benzene ring with oxygen atom CH3. So students, if it is like this one is methyl, this one is phenyl. So this will get the methoxy, this will get phenoxy. But here, this if it is considered as a parent chain, it consists of only one carbon atom. If this one is considered as a parent chain, it consists of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbon atoms. So this is the parent chain. Then this is the functional group. So the name follows methoxy benzene. Methoxy benzene. Next. And also here 2 carbon atom, here 6 carbon atom. So this is the functional group. The name follows ethoxy benzene. Next one. Next one is okay. So listen here. In the parent chain, 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atom is here if we consider. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Of course, even though this is the parent chain. Then students, this is considered as completely. This is CH3 group at which position? So 1, 2, 3, 4. I will miss one numbering for this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Both are correct. Okay. So you take 2 methyl butoxy, 2 methyl butoxy, and this one is benzene. Two methyl butoxy benzene. You're getting? So next, if you take this benzene ring, CH2 6 times CH3. That means what? This CH2 is repeated 6 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So assume only 6 are there. Both left hand side and as well as right hand side. Both on either side of the oxygen atom. Here is also 6 carbon atom. Here is also 6 carbon atom. Then the preference is given to this straight chain instead of this aryl compound. Understand? Then this becomes the functional group. Like what? Phenoxy. Phenoxy hexane. This is the name. Means when the carbon atom on either side of the oxygen, if the aryl group is there or benzene ring is there, so if the number of carbon atom is less than 6, then that is considered as a functional group, like alkoxy. If it is equal to 6 and greater than 6, then the aliphatic chain, that is the carbon chain, straight chain is considered as a parent chain, and this one is aryl group is considered as a functional group. Understand? So this is a good one. Aliphatic compound and as well as aromatic. So another one example I take here. With respect to position, so the ninth one, if you take CH3 to CH, CH3, CH3. Of course, on either side of this group, so this is 1 carbon atom, this consists of 3 carbon atom. So this is the correct one. Just start writing the position, that is 1, 2, 3, 2 methoxy propane. How do you write? So students, if this oxygen atom is directly bonded to a particular carbon, then it can be easily considered as different position, means the position of this group is also be written here, that is 2-methoxy-propane. Understand? Okay. So consider this two. Okay. So instead of that, so this is here 9, 10 one example I take. So this is the benzene ring. To this benzene ring, I take same compound CO, but instead of CH3 there, instead of CH3 there, if it is attached here like this, then of course this one is CH2, CH3. CH2, CH3. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbon atoms are there. Here also 6 carbon atoms. This is the functional group. Then start numbering either from this side 1, 2, 3, 4. From this side 1, 2, 3. So this is the correct order of numbering. 3. This is 4, 5, 6. Okay. So this one is 3 phenoxyhexane. So if the branched atoms are there, then for a particular functional group, you may easily write the position. This is all about the nomenclature of ethers. So the next one is nomenclature of aldehydes, ketones, and carboxylic acids. So in that we will discuss aldehydes. The structure here IUPAC main. So here this is alkane. The last E is replaced by AL. So AL is the suffix for that functional group. For alcohol, OL. For aldehyde, AL. All it follows. Okay, whatever may be the R group here. And remember, students, initially still we didn't consider the carbon atom in any compound, but here in these carbonyl compounds, we need to select the carbon atom present in the functional group also. Are you getting? So here this is also called as carbaldehyde. Later I will explain. So while writing the structures, initially we will go with small structure. It is HCH4. So students, in this compound only one carbon atom is there. So one carbon atom means that is methane. But this methane, I could not write E here because this is CH4 group means medium, that is methanol. Because only one carbon atom here. So here we need to consider the carbon atom which is present in the functional group only. Okay, next CH3, CH4. So in these two carbon atoms are there including the functional group. Then this is two carbon atom means ethane. The last is replaced by this aldehyde group, that is ethanol. Okay, next. Now, so three carbon atom, that is propanol. Okay. Next to CH3, CH, CH3, CH. So students, if the compounds are like this, there is two parent. One is straight chain, another one is this one. So if we consider this parent chain in this shape 7 chain, then we left this functional group. As this is the alkyl substituent, this is the main functional group, preference is given to this, not to this. So that's why the selecting in the parent chain, the straight chain is the correct one. And while numbering also, the carbon atom where that CHO is present, that should get the minimum value. That is 1, 2, 3. No matter which number is assigned to this alkyl group, whether it is 3, 4, 5, 6. So example, if another one I take, that is CH3, CH, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2. From this side it is getting number 2, from this side it is getting number 1, 2, 3, 4. No matter which number is assigned to this group, the first main preference is given to this functional group only. 3, 4, 5. Understood? So now here 3 carbon atoms are there in the parent chain. At the second position, the CH3 group is there. That means 2-methyl propanol. 2-methyl propanol. So this one, of course, fourth position CH3 group is there, and 5 carbon atoms are there. So 4-methyl pentanol. 4-methyl pentanol. Okay. So next, if benzene ring is there, to this benzene ring, if CHO is assigned, okay, if benzene ring, CHO group is assigned. So students, that as I told you, that follows the name alkanol. Okay, but here, so this is alone called as carbaldehyde. Why? Because this is the parent chain and this carbon atom is not involved in this parent chain. So this is a separate carbon atom or a separate group. But here, so this is involved in the parent chain 1, 2, 3. So that's why we consider propane. And the is not like that. This carbon atom is not involved. Parent chain is this benzene ring. This is not involved in the parent chain. So what the name of the compound follows? So it is benzaldehyde. This is the name. So if you want to write it in an IU pattern, this is the parent chain. This is benzene. This one is carbaldehyde. Benzene carbaldehyde. As benzene only. Benzaldehyde you may write. Okay. So the next one, if for the cyclic compound CHO is there. Of course, this is also not involved in this cyclic. So instead of that, you take this. Okay, CHO is here. This is the pentane. Which type of pentane? Cyclopentane. So you will take cyclopentane. This is the parent chain. Along with that, here I am not writing, I am not replacing E here because along with this parent chain, this CHO is here. So because another carbon is here. Along with this cyclopentane, parent chain. Cyclopentane carbaldehyde. This is how to write the unit name of the compound in a cyclic ring structure. In aliphatic, we are following alkanol. Here, alkan, carbaldehyde. So then, if any parent chain consists of this type of, start numbering from here. One is anti-clockwise, another one is clockwise. This is the first carbon atom. First second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. One way. Another one. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. When we number the compound in anti-clockwise direction like this, so the third carbon atom is assigned with this double bond. In the clockwise direction, it is assigned with the fourth position. So that's why this is the correct way of numbering. So that is cyclopentene. The position of the double bond is 3. Cyclopent 3 in carbaldehyde. Means if the aromatic compound or a cyclic compounds are there to which CH4 group is attached, that is named as cyclopent 3. Means carbaldehyde. The benzene ring or any cyclic compound, a parent chain followed by carbaldehyde. But if it is a aliphatic compound, it is alkanol. Okay. So another one example if we take, that is okay. So if this is the first carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is 3 bromo benzaldehyde or 3 bromo benzene carbaldehyde. Okay, this is the nomenclature of aldehyde. So if we come ketone, okay, so the next one is ketone. Ketone means that is R C double bond O R. Okay, the name follows alkane. The last E is replaced by ON. Alkanol. Okay, now here the example for that is CH3 C double bond O CH3. So student, this is propanol because this is the parent chain with 3 carbon atom, because we are considering this carbon is also as a carbon atom of the parent chain. So propane chain is there. The last E of the propane is replaced by ONE. Why? Because listen, if CH3, CH2, CH3 is there, this is propane. Okay, why I am replacing last E? Because in this parent chain, by replacing two groups, it is confirmed. So that's why I am replacing that. CH3, C double bond or CH. Derivative of alkane. Okay. CH3, CH2, C double bond O, CH. So students, if it is like that, if you start numbering from right to left, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. Right to left, so left to right, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right to left, 1, 2, 3, 4. From right to left, this carbonyl group getting number 2. From left to right, getting number 3. So this is the correct way, right to left. Because this is the main prior group which should get the minimum value. So 2 is there. So you have to write butane. Okay, last E is replaced by ONE. But the position of that own ketone group is 2. Butanol you may say, or butan 2O. That is also correct. Understand? So the next one is Here, listen. So in this type of compound, we are considering this carbon atom, and this is as a functional. Sorry, this carbon atom we need to consider in the parent chain. So listen, if we consider this benzene ring, like I just CO, this benzene ring. Okay, so in this parent chain, this carbon is not at all involved. Are you getting? This carbon atom is cannot be taken along with this parent chain. But here, of course, this is considered along with this parent chain. Remember, students, here I will take the example CH3O, this benzene ring. In ether group, there is no carbon atom here, so this is considered as a parent chain. Okay, in ketone, of course, here is already a carbon atom, and we should give main preference to this carbon atom, not this and this. We don't bother about these groups. This is the main one. Okay, so now, even though here 6 carbon atoms are there, this is considered as a parent chain. Are you getting? Why? Why? Because if we consider this one as a parent chain, this carbon atom cannot be involved. But consider this one as a parent chain, this is involved in the nomenclature, means as in the parent chain. Okay, so that's why. So here this is the parent chain. This is what? Phenyl. Okay, so this one is 2 carbon atom, means that is E. Phenyl ethanol is the name of the compound. Phenyl ethanol. Okay, next. Another one is okay. So students, no matter which group is attached here, whether too many substitutes are there or not. So the thing is, this is involved in the nomenclature. So if we consider this one as the parent chain, from left to right and right to left you number. So listen, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. So from right to left, the ketone will get the third position. From left to right, ketone is getting second position. From left to right is the correct way of numbering. When we start numbering left to right, this methyl group getting the position 3. So that is 3-methyl. The parent chain consists of 4 carbon atoms. That is, last is replaced by this ketone. The position. So 3-methyl butane 2-ol is the name of the compound. Okay. Next. Now listen. This is the cyclic compound. To this cyclic compound, the CH3 is attached. Of course, the double bond is also. Of course, this is the parent chain. Listen, this carbon atom is here. In the benzene ring, I told you, in CH3CO C6H5 means in this benzene ring, this is not involved in the parent chain, but here, okay, it is involved in parent chain. So listen, this is the carbon of the parent chain, one of the parent chain, that is cyclohexane. So this is first carbon atom, second carbon atom, third carbon atom. Then the name is 3-methyl cyclohexanone. 3-methyl cyclohexanone. 3-methyl is the substituent, cyclohexane is the parent child, ONE, it's a known that ONE represents what? The functional group. Understood? So this is all about what? The ketone function. The next one is carboxylic acid. Ketone and aldehyde is very easy, students. The main is the carboxylic acid. Okay. Now, this carboxylic acid. So, in this carboxylic acid, start with the first one. I take it RCOOH. It's taken as alkane. The last is replaced by oic acid. That is alkanoic acid. So I will start with the first one, HCOOH. So student, in this how many carbon atoms are there? Only one. According to alkane it is methane. But the functional group here is COOH, means methanoic acid. Next, CH3COOH. Then this is 2 carbon atoms, that is ethane. That means what? Ethanoic acid. Okay. Next, CH3, CH3COOH. A substituent is there. This is the functional group. Preference is given to this group. Stand nothing from here. That is 2-methyl propanoic acid. 2-methyl propanoic acid. Okay. Next, COOH. COOH. Okay. Students, how many carbon atoms are here? 2 means ethane. The last is replaced by carboxylic acid. How many? 2. That is dioic acid. What is the position? 1 and 2. That is 1 comma ethane, 1 comma 2 dioic acid. If it is like this, directly. So the common name for this is oxalic acid. The ionic name is ethane 1,2-dioic acid. Okay. Next, listen. If this CH2COOH is there, CHCOOH is there, then CH2COOH. So students, if it is like this, if we consider this one as a parent chain, this COOH group will left. It cannot be inward. But to give equal preference to all the 3 carboxylic acid group, this is also pure, this is also pure, this is also pure. If we consider this one as a parent chain, this carboxylic cannot get any priority. Are you getting? So that's why to give equal priority to this, the name of the compound follows. This is 1, 2, 3. Propane. Okay, last is replaced by 1, 2, 3 means tri carboxylic acid, that is trioic acid. What is the position? 1, 2, 3. It is 1, 2, 3. Propane 1, 2, 3 trioic acid. Okay. So if any group is there, to that group any ketonic group is there, along with that carboxylic acid group is there. Both are important, but ketone group in the COOH group, this is the prior group. This one is the suffix. Sorry, this one is suffix, this one is prefix. This is less prior compared to this. Then this must be the parent chain. Starting from here 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the name is 3 at third position. What is substituted? O, that is oxo. 3 oxo, 4 carbon atom means butaneoic acid. 3 oxo butanoic acid. If instead of that CHO group is there, CH, CH2, CH. So this group is called as formyl group. Then this is of course 3 formyl butanoic acid. Means whatever the group present along with COOH, the COOH is the prior group, the parent chain ends with oic acid only. This is in what? This is in aliphatic compounds. COOH, CH2, COOH. Of course, here 3 carbon atoms are there. That is propane. Okay, start numbering from where? 1, 2, 3. That is 1, 3 dioic acid. So this is on the example. Okay, next. So the next one is what? This is all about aliphatic compound. The next one is aromatic. What happens if the COOH group is attached to this type of cyclic compound? If cyclic compound is there, COOH is there, this is not involved in the parent chain. Then this, what is the name of the parent chain? That is cyclohexane. Then after this, we need to write extra carboxylic acid. Understand, student? If it is aliphatic compound, it is the last is replaced by oic acid. If it is a cyclic compound, the same complete parent chain along with the cyclohexane carboxylic acid is there. Cyclohexane carboxylic acid. So along with this, any double bond is there, assume. So the preference is given to COOH, not to this. Then start numbering from here. That is cyclohexene. But this hexene, in position is how much? 3 in carboxylic acid. The preference is given to only this group. So if benzene is there, if COOH group is attached to this, so this is also benzene carboxylic acid, also called as benzoic acid. Only this one is called as what? Benzoic acid. Understood? So if any other groups are attached here, for example, here it is COOH, here it is OH. Then this is first and second carbon atom, means 2-hydroxy benzoic acid. This is also called as salicylic acid. But the IUPAC name is most important. 2-hydroxy benzoic acid. If Br is there, then with respect to that position, 4-bromo, 3-bromo, okay, bromobenzoic acid, iodobenzoic acid, nitrobenzoic acid, formyl benzoic acid. Okay, like that, the nomenclature is to be done. Okay, so this is about carboxylic acids. In all the cases, you have to remember is what? Only how to change the name. Okay, so the last nomenclature is amines. Okay, the last nomenclature is amines. Here structure, here IUPAC. So that is RNH2 compound, that is alkane. The last is replaced by amine, alkane amine. So R group is replaced by if it is CH3, NH2, alkane that is methane. Last is replaced by amine, that is methanamine. Here it is CH3, CH2, NH2. Two carbon atoms are there, that is ethane. The last is replaced by amine, that is ethanamine. Okay, next CH3, CH, NH2, CH. Of course, the students, the preference is given to it. This, even though the selection of the parent chain is important, because this is not a carbon atom to involve in the parent chain. These are the carbon atoms. This is propane. Of course, amine, but amine is present at which position? 1, 2, 3 means 2 amine. Propan 2 amine is the name of the compound. Okay, next. So instead of this is our what? The primary amines. Assume if secondary amines are there, means to the same N group, different R groups are attached. NH, CH3, CH3. Then one is considered as a substituent, another is considered as a parent chain. So this is attached to what? N. So that is N methyl, N methyl. This one is methanamine. Okay. So if this N is further attached to three groups, then one is considered as a parent chain, remaining two are substituents. Substituents are attached to what? N. That is NN, dimethyl methanamine. Remember students, why I am taking NN here? Because initially what I explained, their carbon atom is there, and we can easily mention the position of the carbon atom. But here, in between the parent chain, here this is parent chain, either this or this. So in between that nitrogen is there. These groups are attached to not carbon to mention the position, they are attached to nitrogen. Instead of numbering, we need methyl, NN dimethyl. Here it is N, CH3, CH3, CH2, CH3. Then among these two, this is the great parent chain with a greater number of carbon atoms. So this is considered as a parent chain. Then it is same NN dimethyl ethanamine. And then dimethyl ethanamine. So this is how to name the compound. So students, if any compounds like CH3, CH, double bond CH, CH2, CH2, NH2. Here double bond is there as well as NH2 group is there, but the preference is given to NH2 group. Start numbering from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is at the third position double bond is there. Parent chain is pent3-ene, that is pentene. The last is replaced by amine, that is pent3-ene amine, means pentene amine. third position, this group is there. Understand? So this is all about the nomenclature of the compound with aliphatic compound. So if you consider R compound by R, aryl compound means any benzene ring. So this is the benzene ring with NH2 group. That is, benzene is the parent chain. Last E is replaced by amine. Benzene amine. The common name for this is aniline. Benzene amine is the aliphatic name. The common name is what? Aniline. So if to this benzene, if any groups are attached, for NH2 is there, here Br is attached. Okay, so this is first, this is second means 2-bromo aniline, you may write, or 2-bromo benzene amine. Okay. Next, same to this benzene ring, if N is there, to this CH3 is attached. This is the parent chain with the 6 carbon atom. So now it is NN dimethyl benzene amine. This is how to write the name of the compound. So students, among these, very important, these aldase ketones and carboxylic acid as well as alcohols, phenols and ketones. Among these two, they want us any. Of course, in this also, this tri-substituted is important, tertiary. Okay, so this is all about the nomenclature from allo-alkane, allo-ride to the amines chapter. In the tomorrow's class, next class, we will discuss with the what? Classification of the elements like primary, secondary, tertiary. Okay, and remember, in the tomorrow's class you have lead class tomorrow. Okay, so in that I am doing the bits regarding the nomenclature only. Go through those examples, then you get a good idea about the nomenclature of compounds. Okay, thank you.